So welcome to Hawaii, guys. Welcome to Waikiki, Honolulu. So enjoy our vlog here. This is our second day here already. We just arrived here yesterday in the afternoon. So now we are going to the beach. This is the access road from the main road.
Walk their surfboards up here.
Yeah, gipanglakan nilang mga surfboard. Nice sa hotel, oh, then I pool. Then doon kay sa beach. This one also. Yeah, hey.
Look at the mountain.
Oh, wow.
This is nice.
Oh, we need to charge yours. Let's go shopping here. Hi, Cookies, let's get in here. Honolulu Police Station, Waikiki. And you can ride a trolley here. Waikiki. Yeah. And you can take picture there. Yeah, look at that one. You can eat here breakfast. Early morning, there's a lot of people in line. They're open 6 a.m. to 1 p.m. one day. See, there's still more people. This is where we stayed at. We're on the 8th floor. So they have free filtered water here, and you can get ice from the reception area. So this is our view from our room. Look at that, right? So through the window. And we have chairs there that we can sit down and relax.
But it's hot out there.
Yeah, so right now we're just be inside our room. So there's a lot of them already there. They're enjoying. Wow.
They're not in the deep.
See, we can see it from our balcony. I guess it's fine. That's from the. Oh, you see that? Them. Stores around the island. This is the market. So let's see the market here. Food. What's their food?
Shrimp.
Oh, fish.
Look at that fish. Oh, instead of.
I see.
Yeah. Let's look around a little bit. Yeah.
So let's walk around this area. This is at the back of International Market, the other road. So we decided to eat here for lunch. There's another ABC store there. Another ABC store. Every corner there's an ABC store. Let's go walking. So let's continue walking. It's shaded, so it's nice to walk around Hawaii. Waikiki.
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 There she is. Oh.
See, another ABC store. So there's the park there. Look at this Holiday Inn Express Hotel. Very tall.
Oh, 6 or 7 in
Oh, really?
long, baby.
And you can have a Waikiki trolley tour.
Well, it's like you said, the ABC.
Oh, ABC again.
Every corner.
So they said just
Look,
keep all your receipt.
Airport.
Ah, okay. Just keep all your receipt until you reach $100 that you spend anywhere. As long as ABC, then you can get a souvenir. So you can rent this here. So these are the food truck parking area.
Ah,
Look at that. There's a lot of food truck here. Okay, look at that building. Oh, look at that.
look at the lamps.
Yeah. So we're here at the bridge now. There's water. 1929. Abot na dyan didrig nilakaw. Sa bato nga.
She's doing it too.
Naabot dyan ni
That
sa
must be these
Walmart.
lines that's like this.
Yeah, Walmart and Sam's Club of Nilakaw. After we walk, guys, we went swimming. It's so nice. So this is our hotel here, our balcony. It's nice to swim. The water is warm, and this is our view. So that's our view. So guys, after namin maligo sa beach, we are going to stroll around again here because what happened?
She pushed you up the sidewalk.
Because there is going on here. What is it that going on here, love?
It's a flavor festival.
Oh, okay, let's go. So here they closed the road and there it is. We're gonna check there. They're ready to surf now. Look at here, guys.
Oh, look at all the dresses.
Oh, yeah. Yep. So we can go shopping. Oh, there's food. Ala, kalami. Oy, oh, nasa lechon. Ala, kalami pa. Yeah. Wait, sample. Ah, pineapple.
Ribs. Smoking gold.
La, they got lechon. That's nice, right? Then I pansit. Oh, pansit. Lumpia.
over. Maybe on the way back there.
You do the lamia on. Paella. Mexi Hill. Okay. Pili dong.
This one? Which one you want?
Manihapon ta ninyo.